What's up? How many people are there? I don't know. क्या हो रहा है ये? Okay. Yeah. Oh, 2 years waiting. Why are you waiting? I'm live. Okay, maybe. Anyway, so last time हमने क्या किया? What did we do last time? I don't have to remember. But yeah, last time what we were doing was we created one slug, I believe, and then we added like subscribers model and a way to verify email address and all that shit. Today we'll work on how the subscription should work, like in the sense someone can come to the landing page, give their email address, we store that email address, we send a verification email and blah blah blah, and how do we manage unsubscription and things like that. Okay, so yeah, that is what we're going to be sort of working on today. Remind me tomorrow to update. Yeah, and please, please leave a comment. Leave a message, man. Leave a chat, sorry, because otherwise it's just so boring. Anyway, localhost port 4000 will not work because I haven't started the server. Agent K. Doobie doobie doo ba doobie doobie doo ba doobie doobie doo ba doobie doobie doo ba. Okay, it did not work for some reason. Why did it not work? It says 3035 is already in use. Just have to add a space and then save and then remove the space and then save again. That should work. It still hasn't created the CSS file. क्या करूं? Why is it not creating the CSS file? Webpack.yaml emit CSS. Yes, man. When did this change? 3035 is already in use. How is that possible? But anyway, how am I late today? I came right at 3:35. It's still not working. What happened? It was working till yesterday. It's not working today. I think the problem is that I have to spring stop. Spring is not running. Nice. Why is it not running? Spring stop. Spring is not running good. If I do this without 3035, what is running on 3035? Damn. Obviously it will not run. हर बार का problem है ये. Okay, still not running. But anyway, maybe then the JavaScript also did not load. Cannot get. Yep. Okay, why is it not getting? Agent P. Hmm. 4000 OP. What is 4000 OP? Why is it not running, man? क्या हो गया इसको? Spring is not running. Very good. PS-EF grep webpack. Okay, some webpack is running. That's the problem. Kill -9 23668. Sir, sudo sir. Sir. Phew. What an idiotic thing to get stuck on, but I'm not going to waste more time. So I think I don't know what controllers I have right now. I have a subscribers controller. Great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the root URL into a place where there's a way you can just sort of put your email ID, and then we save that to database. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the subscribers new route into the root URL. But before that, let's just see what it looks like right now. So subscribers new.
Yeah, nothing actually.
Great. Okay. So I'll be like subscriber dot new and nothing. Yep, nothing else. And I'll go to subscriber new, and I'm gonna be like, what should I be like? Yay. How many concurrent viewers do I have? 2. Oh, pathetic. But I'm really thankful that there are 2 people who are showing up. Anyway, yeah, what was I doing? Yeah, so I want to open like a login box from Bootstrap. So again, this is not my forte, like CSS and all, making it look pretty, but I'll still try. So what I'm looking for is probably a sign-in form. Yeah, and great. This is what it looks like, and great. Form sign-in. There is no form sign-in. Okay, so what they have done is they've text centered everything. I'm not going to do that, so I'll be like, subscribe to my newsletter. This is what it will look like. Let's just do text center. I don't know. Agent P, and then there's a form where there's an image. I don't want an image. Okay, 4 concurrent viewers, guys. Now it's 3. Fine. So I'll just have a form with here with subscriber, with the model being subscriber, and just do a do and an f, and here I'll be like f dot label email, just to see what's going on, and there we have it, our first issue, because it's a single space. Great. So email is there. Email. Kamala. By the way, happy Diwali to everyone who's watching. I know it's a day after Diwali, but in some places today they are celebrating. So text input, email, class, form, control, text field. I still get confused, and is it field or is it input? And whoa, ये क्या हो गया? All right. This will be dot row dot text center. Then it will be like dot column md4, and I'll do this. It will shift there. I don't need this to be an h1. It can be a legend, right? And what else? Subscribe to my newsletter. Then there's this. If I do this, yeah, and I think I just need now f dot submit, which will be like subscribe with the class btn success. Okay, everything need not be text center, it's not helping us out, but it can be offset md4. Yeah, and instead of md I think I can have lg over here, so that this is what it looks like now. Should I be md? Deep question. Raining in JPROP. This is not Jaipur, guys. But yeah, it's raining here. LG. I'll stick to LG. I'll check this later. But before that, I just want to see what Substack looks like for inspiration. But seriously, I just want to understand. What are you building, bro? I'm building an open source version of Substack. So Substack is a way for you to send newsletters, and I'm building an open source version of that. So yeah, so it says something blah blah blah, the newsletter. Then if I want to subscribe, what's your email? And then nice, I think I can also have something like this. Like, why not, right? So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to input group, and input group with button is what I'm looking for. Inline, is there a form inline? Is there an inline form? Inline form. Yes. It's not really an inline form, but maybe I can work with input groups. I just need to turn it into form inline, right? And I can be like, I don't even need this. I can just be like, what's your Rashi? Ye to bata do na. What's your Rashi? What's your email? Thanks for dropping by, Rishabh. Yep. And if I want to like tweak it like that, what I'll do is I'll turn it into a form inline. And it does not look nice. Why does it not look nice? Because it's not supposed to look nice. It needs to be an input group. Yeah, it needs to be an input group. Agent P. And if I use an input group, what does it look like? Let's see. I want to use an input group on the right side. So this is the one on right side. Bollywood OP. Why Bollywood? Okay, I can have a class as well. Arya, nice Arya. Arya, Abe Arya. Subscribe is a button. It is a button. Very good, very good, good. BTN, BTN. BTN success. Oh, nice. Can I have it colored? Sizing, blah, 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 blah. Oh, there's a button as well here. Okay, for button, I just need it for to be type button. Okay, I don't need to add, okay, input group appended is fine. I don't need input group text for it to be a button. Holy nice. 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 Button with a drop down? No, I don't want button with a drop down. I want simple button with color. Can I change the color of input? I don't think I can. I'll come to accessibility later on, but for now I think subscribe to my newsletter, which is fine, I guess. Agent what's your email, right? And if I click on this, it works like this. If I be like, my email is this, theoretically it should submit it. I don't know if it will or if it won't, but theoretically it should. And once it submits, we'll go to subscriber controller in the create, and I'll just write a buy bug here, just to see, you know, what comes and what does not come. Although I know what's supposed to come, but yep. I press submit and I'm already at the buy bug. I can see what params I'm getting. The params I'm getting are subscriber with the value of email as something, and great, nothing else. Go green only. Green for what? OP. Okay. Yeah, I have to do continue, and nothing happens. Nothing much happens. And you know why it doesn't happen, right? Because subscriber.new, and I need a private here, and I can be like a subscriber params, and you know how underscore params work. They have this require and permit. So I'll be like require subscriber permit email. Subscriber params. So now what we've done is we've created an object for the new subscriber. Now we have to save it. So if subscriber.save returns with a true or a false. True if it works perfectly, false if it does not. So if it worked perfectly, we'll be like redirect to root, root URL with notice. We have saved. For now, I'll just write we've saved your email in our database, but I'm not going to write that. And if it doesn't work, I'll be like redirect to root URL with the alert saying we were not able to save your email. And I don't know what happened because I don't have my notices here, and I should. So I'll be like application haml, right? And in below this container fluid, what I'm going to write is I want to figure out how to add an alert, like the Bootstrap Alert, right? And to do that, it's very simple. Apparently, I shouldn't have to worry a lot. Okay, so if I have a notice, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write an alert which is of success nature, and the alert will have a role. Okay, sorry, my bad. Role of alert, and right, so this is what we need. It's a simple alert, but I also need this cross button, which is a button for whatever shit. Basically it helps me disable the disable the alert when I want to. So to do that, I need this class which is close, and I don't need the closing tag because we are in Haml. I can have a span which is like, you know, area hidden, like this, and then all this is fine. I just need to parameterize this thing as well, and you subscribe to show with OP. Yes, yes, although no, but yes. Agent B. So if I have a notice, I'll just print it. If I don't have a notice, if I have an alert, I'll print that as well. And this needs to be a danger. Danger. I'm a danger. That painted a danger. Thunder. Okay, it says we were not able to save your email. Why? Subscriber new. Subscriber new doesn't exist because it's subscribers new. And I'll be like, show with at a.com. It says we were not able to save your email. Alertception. And now I know why they were not able to save my email. I have to write MT3 in both the places, and col md no col lg8 dot offset lg2. So I have to add this at both the places. Agent K. Should make a Discord. I think I should make a Discord. You're correct. We were not able to save your email, and I probably know why, but just to see if it works, I'll be like s at b.n, and then we've saved your email. And why I was not able to save my original email was because it's already in the database, and we have a validation which says that, you know, it should be unique and case insensitive. So I have tested for uniqueness, but let's test for case insensitiveness. So I can be like show, and it saved because case sensitive is not true. Okay, but if I make case sensitive as true, still saved. The hell is going on? Is it already saved? Yeah, it was already saved, but subscriber.first is already there, which I created on 8th of November, which was the last week, because today is 15th. But how am I saving these? I should not save these. Uniqueness, case sensitive, true. Are they case sensitive? They are not. So subscriber.new, let's say I have email subscriber.create. Okay, I have show with at hey.com, and it said it's saved. If I write like this, it's saved. So I'll just change it to false, and I do like this, it's saved. Okay, I'll change it to true, and I do this, and it's saved. It's not. So the validation is not working. Chal ja. Why is it not working? So case insensitive, uniqueness rails. Rishabh W man, I guess. Underscore, I need an under false. I know, I wanted to make case sensitive false, and that was already false, but it was not working, so I made it false again, but I've added underscore now. Lo and behold, it's working now. Choti choti khushiyan. But yeah, so the problem was this underscore. This underscore was being a bitch. But I'll just flush my all subscribers. So I'll be like subscriber.all.destroy all, and I'll just delete all of them. So we have a clean slate to work with, and I can go to subscribers new, and I can be like showbiz at hey.com, and it's saved. But now if I go and write it like a normal person, it will not save. Okay, so everything's working fine now. All right, so should I just make this look a little better? If I want to make this look a little better,
what I will do is
I'll go to subscribers new. Okay, and here I'll have a class which will be like something. I don't want class, I want style right now, just to experiment with this a bit. And I can be like font size 2rem. Yep, much better. What else? I can have class text center, and does that work? Thunder is thunder. Alignment, text align is what I'm looking for, and it's center. It doesn't work on this, and why? Because text center is important. Even this is important too. It's still not working. Oh, it's not working because it's not taking the whole space. So can I just be like form control? No, I should not do that. I should be like W100. Yep. And if I do W100, it takes the whole width, and I think I should do this to this as well. Great. And instead of MB3, which is below, I can have MT3, which is also fine. And now it looks much better, right? So I can just do this MT3 and .w100. The message should be you're already subscribed in green. If yeah, the message should be that you're already subscribed, and it should be in green if you have already put in that. But I don't know what the error is right now, so that's why I'm not doing that. Although that's a great note. Great job of being a PM. PMOP. All right. So this is what it looks like now. What's your email? What's my mail? What's my mail? What's my mail? My mail is shobit@hey.com. You're not able to save your email. ठीक है. Fine. This works well. And what I need to do is go to routes and change it to subscribers new. And now at root URL, this is what it looks like. And if I write my email again, we were not able to save your email. No problem. And I make one mistake while I'm writing my email, and we've saved your email. Okay, now that we have built an email list over here, right? Like we can just find out the list by going to subscriber.all, and we have a count which is 2 people are on the list. So what should happen technically is whenever the article is sort of created, after create we should send the article to everyone on the list, and to do that we'll be like subscriber dot all dot find each do subscriber, and we just have to change this to subscriber dot email, and voila. This time I was saying voila or viola or something like that, and a friend told me that it's not voila, it's voila. So, and voila. Okay, and voila. Now whenever someone sort of creates an article, and whoever is in the subscriber list, they technically will get an email. And in the last time we were able to basically see what the email will look like. I'm not going to touch on that right now because I'm going to work today on the subscriber list management stuff, but email verification, otherwise I'll put all random emails. Yeah, so that's why we have the verification token as well for every subscriber that we have. So in subscriber dot first, let's say, so the question is, how do we will we verify the email? And I'm saying yes, and to do that I already have things in place. So I have let's say this is a subscriber. I have a verification token which is some random long string. Now what will happen is, whenever you put the email address, the system should technically trigger an email and send it to you and say, dude, verify, please verify, right? And if you're able to verify, great. If if the verification works, what will happen is then we'll convert the s dot verified, which is currently false, we'll convert it to true. So actually let's work on that part. So I have to create a scope. So what scope does is it sort of adds a an SQL query directly before, like I can just be like subscriber.verified and it will only give me the result of people who are verified. So I'll be like scope verified, and the scope will look like where verified true. Alright, so now I can be like subscriber dot verified, and there the result that I got was an empty array, like there's nothing in there because we haven't verified anything yet. So let's just verify one of the subscribers that we put. The subscriber that I'm talking about here is this random string, which this is the email ID of that subscriber. So what I'll do is I'll update the subscriber with verified true. Right, now that we have this verified true set, subscriber.verified will return one object, which is that the one that I just verified right now. So yeah, verification is all good, it's all nice and everything. We also have verify this thing over here. So we have token params email subscriber find by verification token, and subscriber's email should be the same. Then in that case we update that to be verified true, right? And where is that URL coming from? So that URL is coming, okay, we haven't created the URL, I suppose, but it's already there in routes. We have this verify URL there. So what we will do is whenever the user subscribes, I'm just checking if I have a mailer. I don't have a mailer, so I have to create a new subscriber mailer. Okay, so I'll be like Rails generate mailer subscriber verify. So I want to have an action called verify on the subscriber mailer, and I have this blah 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 blah. So instead of that, what I'll do is please subscribe your email address. And here let's have a helpful message, something like you have added your email address to ours for subscription to our newsletter. To subscribe, please click the following link. And now we will have this link which will be like I'll have to check in the routes what it will be like, but whatever the that link will be like, I'll just paste that link over there, and then I'll add another message saying if you don't want to subscribe, just ignore this email and you won't get any more emails. So this is the URL, and I'll have to be like link to verify URL and verify URL, right? And here now these are the URLs that are there. I just have to add another text. If you don't wish to subscribe or you did not enter the email you can safely ignore this mail and you won't be subscribed, whatever, right? And I need to check the subscriber mailer preview, and subscriber mailer preview has this verify thingy. For this I need to add an email which will be params email and token which will be params token, right? So this is how I construct my URL for subscription, and this is what the people should go at. Here what will happen is article mailer preview, it was with here, so I just have to find out this with thingy, sorry, add this with thingy, right? And I have an email and I have a token which is, let's say, token, okay? And I just go here and instead of 3000 I just need 4000. Please subscribe your email address. Okay, I just read it and it looks so bad. Hi Tushar, what's up? Please verify rather than subscribe. Yeah, makes sense. Please verify your email address. Please verify your email address. You have added your email address for subscription to our newsletter. Just to verify. To verify, please click the following URL, following link. If you don't wish to subscribe or you did not enter the email, you can safely ignore this mail. And I'll be like copy location and I'll go to port 4000. And it says could not find subscriber because the email address is, or the token is not great. So instead of doing that, what I'll do is I'll just be like subscriber.first and this is the subscriber, like s.email s.token. Oh, it's not a token, it's a verification token. Great. And this is what the email now looks like, which looks like something legit, right? And I can just open it here. Your email has been verified. What? And just to make sure that the email has been verified, I'll have to go to subscriber.first and it says shobit@hey.com. I can just assign this to this one. So it says shobit@hey.com verification token and then verified true. And now subscriber.verified. If you remember, it was just a one element first. Now there are two elements. And how can I make sure that there are two? Subscriber.verified.count two. So great, now the verification part of the subscription works well. Okay, so great. What else do I need to do for verification? Nothing. I don't need to do anything. Need to make this look nice, but that's a different problem. Okay. So now you have verification done, but the email does not trigger automatically. So to trigger that email, what I'll do is I'll be like subscriber mailer dot with at subscriber dot email and subscriber dot verification token and dot deliver later. If if saving the subscriber was all well and fine, we deliver the email later. Obviously, if it does not work, we don't deliver, right? Now how do I check that the delivery of this thing is working? To do that, what is Substack takeover? Okay, To do that, I need to configure my email and stuff like that, which is a different technical thing altogether, but just take my word for it right now that it will work, uh, and that we'll deliver email and stuff like that, right? I'm not working on email delivery today, but what I am working on is, I don't know what, subscribers. Yeah. So let's just try another email address, which is blah 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 at blah 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 dot in. We've saved your email, there was no problem, so I'm assuming that the email will be delivered. And if I check the logs, it generates an email. Okay, it generates the email, and hi, find me in blah blah blah. Okay, it generated the text email as well, which I don't want to work on right now because it's a different beast. But yeah, I think then I should remove the text email from here as well, right? And I can be like another email at gmail.cu. Okay, see you. And we saved your email, everything worked fine. And if I check it again, it says it has created a job, it's going to deliver the mail, and the email looks fine to me. Great. So we have verification in place as well. Now just to make sure that we are sending email to only verified article, yeah, verified subscribers will be like, instead of all, I'll be like verified. Yeah, subscriber.verified.find each, and then we send an email to everyone whenever we generate a new article. So let's do that. Let's create a new article, and I'm going to add a lot of space here, a lot of space. Okay, and this is we testing out the subscription emailers. Yep, this is just a test email. Okay, and I accidentally pressed Command S instead of pressing save because I wanted to press save. Funny how brain works. Article was successfully created. It's coming out twice, and I know why, but yeah, not just that happened. What really happened is we sent the email to two users. So this is where it started. We started a post call, then we did some things, a transaction committed, and then after the transaction was completed, we started sending the emails, and this is how we're sending the email. All fine and good. Amazing. So article show, there's already a notice here which technically should not be, so I've removed that notice now, and lo and behold, we have created two functionalities today, which is verification of the email and sending an email. So we haven't worked on unsubscribe yet. Okay, so before that, what I'll do is I'll just quickly run a git status, and oh my god, so many things. Okay, see you. So git status, git diff app model article. In the article, the only thing that I've done is I'm actually sending it to the verified subscribers now, right? And in the subscribe, I've basically fixed a bug and added a scope for verified. And I think these are the only two changes that I've done in the models. Yep. So git add app models and git commit -m sending mail to all verified subscribers upon creating a new article. Now obviously this is not the ideal way. Ideal way would be for you to press a publish button, but whatever. And git status now, and all I see is some things which are added the verification, added the email subscribing and verifying activity, fine, whatever, right? And I'll be just git push origin master good stream Mr. Kim. Yeah, I was trying to imitate Mr. Kim, but yeah, now that we have these things, another thing that we should technically add is article mailer. In the article mailer, new article email. Firstly I need to see what article mailer currently looks like. Thunder, new thunder. Okay, sorry, my bad. Yeah, this is what the email looks like. To read this in your browser, click on this link, and I need an unsubscribe button also, which will be like this, and the link will be unsubscribe. And just to be a little shady, you know, I'll be like font color. The font color needs to be very English. What it does it need to be? It needs to be AE. Unsubscriber, not unsubscriber, unsubscribe. Why does it not show up from font color though? Okay, there is no font color because it's only color. Yep. Font color, and the other thing that I need to do is font size 0.75 rem. And instead of AE, it should be something like 555555, right? Great. And I have an unsubscribe button here, which basically is linking to the permalink, but it should technically link to like unsubscribe subscribers URL, and to unsubscribe I'll have a token, and the token will be do I have any the subscriber here? No, I don't. Oh no, I don't. I should. And to do that I need to sort of change this and call it subscriber ID, and the at email is fine, which will be at subscriber.find params subscriber ID, and you know the email will be dot email sneak attack. So here we'll have an add subscriber dot this will be what token? Unsubscription token. Subscription token. Unsubscription token. Yep. And I'll be like Rails generate migration. Now I had to add this token to the subscriber. Add unsubscription token to subscribers, and it will be unsubscription token. Okay. This needs to be unique. Okay, now that it has opened, I'll be like unsubscription token. Yep. So it adds index with unique true, right? And in the subscriber, before create, we'll be like generate tokens, and this can be like this, and we can just have unsubscription token. And great, now that we have unsubscription and subscription token, another thing that we need to do over here is for every subscriber dot each, we have to sort of, this is not subscribers, my friend, it's subscriber dot each. We have to, it's again not each, it's find each. Subscriber dot unsubscription token dot update if, and token will be like this. Not while, until. Yeah, so until this thing works, keep updating, and once this thing has updated, created an unsubscription token for everyone, next thing that we'll do is we have to literally do nothing. Right? And what else? I just have to do this update, right? So now I'll be like Rails db migrate, and the migration should work fine. There was a problem. Secure random.hex 32 is not working, and obviously it's not going to work, man. Shobit. It worked. Nice. And I can quickly go and check. So this guy has an unsubscription token. Very good. So now we can have this unsubscribe URL with the subscribers unsubscription token. If I refresh, it should work, but it's not working, and I kind of sort of know it's not working, why it's not working. And I'll be like subscriber ID, this needs to be 1. Okay, this needs to be actually subscriber dot first dot ID, and this needs to be article dot first dot ID. Did you mean subscriber unsubscribe URL? Actually, that's exactly what I meant. Thank you, Rails. Thank you. No route matches. Very good. Why does it not match a route? Missing case is subscriber ID. Why do you need subscriber ID? Okay, I know why you need that. Subscriber ID. So it should not be subscriber ID is what I'm saying. It should be email add subscriber dot emails, and then we have a token here, which is fine. And then in routes, again this should be on collection, and because it's on collection it will give me an error again because now it says, do you mean unsubscribe subscribers URL? And that is what I meant. Great. And we have this unsubscribe button. Let's just quickly add this functionality, and then we have a functioning subscriber list and I can go about my day. So I'll be like subscriber controller. It's going to be very similar to verify, because we have like tokens and stuff, right? Find by unsubscription token, unsubscription token, unsubscribed true. Great. And do I have, let's say in schema, do I have unsubscribed? I do, and it's default to false. Now instead of that, I should go to subscriber. I should create a new scope, and this new scope is deliverable name, subscriber dot subscribed, currently subscribed. Yeah, these are the people who are currently subscribed, and this scope basically has verified true and unsubscribed false. Great. And in the article .rb, we actually want the currently subscribed people to get an email. Great. And unsubscribe to couldn't unsubscribe your email, and in unsubscribe.html.haml, just like verify.haml. Okay, sorry. Verify haml. Okay, we have two verify hamls. We can be like, your email has been unsubscribed. Okay, great. So this is for the first user, which is shobit@hey.com, and shobit@hey.com is currently unsubscribed false. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that unsubscribe button and see what happens. And nothing will happen because it's opening at localhost port 3000, whereas it should open to 4000. I click on 4000, your email has been unsubscribed. If I go and see s.unsubscribed, it says false because I have to reload. But moment of truth, unsubscribed true. Great. And subscription, now subscriber dot I want currently subscribed. Okay, it says it doesn't have a scope because I haven't restarted, but yeah, now it has a scope, and the count is 1. Subscriber dot verified dot count is 2. How cool. Just to test it out, we'll be like new, I will be like blah 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 at blah blah blah.com. We've saved your email. Verified count is still 2 because it has not been verified. No problem. Let's just go and see subscriber mailer verification. Instead of first, it should always be last, and I open the verify. Instead of 3000, it should be 4000, but yeah, I click on this and it doesn't verify. Why does it not verify? Because it's port 3000, it should be port 4000. On port 4000, your email has been verified. Great. The verified count is 3 and currently subscribed count is 2. Now right, this is again the first user, so it's already been unsubscribed. But article mailer preview, instead of first, let's just call it last. and this is blah 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 at blah blah blah.com, and I click on currently. As you can see, the currently subscribed count is 2. I click on this and I change this to 4000. Your email has been unsubscribed and currently subscribed count is back to 1. Guys, we have done it. We have created a very simple subscription list. Now we have all the functionality required to be compatible with laws. We have saving the email, verifying the email, and unsubscribing the user, and obviously sending an email. We have all these things. I should just commit all these in Git before I deliver my ending speech. And git add dot git commit -m, added the unsubscription what? I added the unsubscription functionality, and I'll be like git push origin master, and done. Great. Phew. Saurabh, that you are sending a message. Thank you for dropping by the stream. And yeah, I pushed the code now. So basically the subscription part and all is done. Next week, what should I focus on? If you guys have anything that you guys are interested in, please let me know, and I'll probably start focusing on that thing. Couple of things that I think I need to do is make the UI look better, make the make the whole app feel more. So all right, if nothing else, I decide as such. Okay, if there's nothing else that I have to decide, what I'll do is I'll work on the UI in the next stream. So it's not going to be a smooth stream. I suck at UI, so but yeah, please do join in to my next stream. And the code is already up. It's at you can just check out the code, it's there, and it also has the commits that we did today, which were 3, and added the unsubscription functionality, and all the code is already there. You can also download the source code and do it yourself. Thank you so much for dropping by. I would be very happy if 3 or more join in again next week. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.